Fox 35 investigates dog death payments. A family was grieving after their family pet named Samson died. And they were then hit with another kind of pain. They found out they needed to keep paying for Samson's health plan even though he died.
Fox 35's Marie Edinger spoke with that family who has a warning tonight about reading the fine print.
There wasn't a person he didn't love. There wasn't an animal he didn't want to play with. He was just one of a kind.
Samson was a part of Steve and Tammy Martin's family for 9 years.
All the neighbors would swing by, say hi, rub on him, so he was a good boy.
The 97-pound boxer who acted like a lapdog got sick in May and had to be euthanized. After that, the Martins called up Banfield Pet Hospital to cancel the Optimum Wellness plan they had for Samson. But then they were hit with more bad news.
That would have been awful, right? The fact that you lost your best friend and then for 7 more months to still have to make a payment for somebody that you lost 7 months ago.
That's right. They still had to continue payments for Samson's health plan. You see, the plan is a contract. You pay a monthly or yearly premium that covers things like office visits, diagnostic testing, teeth cleaning, and more. And in exchange for signing up for that program, you also get discounts on other services. The problem is, when you sign up for the contract, you're in it for a full year, even if your dog dies. In fact, in the terms and conditions of a wellness plan agreement, the language in the cancellation section specifically states the pet owner could be obligated to continue paying monthly fees or pay the total remaining plan year installments in full, quote, if member cancels for any reason, including but not limited to death or loss of pet or transfer of ownership.
They just had you sign that little electronic pad at the cash register. I'm sure they probably emailed us a contract. But that was 9 years ago. I don't remember.
We reached out to Banfield, calling, emailing, even showing up at one of their hospitals in person. We wanted to learn more about the Optimum Wellness policy and to gain more insight into what happened with Samson. Banfield explained to Fox 35 News, if a client wants to cancel the policy, they can either pay the retail value of the services provided that year minus the monthly premiums they've already paid for the year, or they can pay out the monthly premiums for the remainder of their contract, whichever is cheaper.
The last month cost us $2,000 for his medicine and the extra tests that they did. No big deal. We knew it was coming before we authorized it. This we didn't know was coming.
After Steve called them, Banfield discounted his balance. The company also said in a statement, quote, we send our deepest condolences to the Martin family over the loss of Samson. We understand how painful it is to lose a beloved pet, and it is always our aim to help families feel supported during this difficult time. The Martins say they still feel this whole thing was handled indelicately.
The young man I talked to on the 800 number, when he told me, you realize you're in a contract, and either pay it or we'll just turn it over to the collection agency. There's just no empathy on the other end of the phone.
It hurts. It hurts a lot.
The Martin family said this isn't about the money for them. They just want people signing up for this service to know what they're getting into. Marie Edinger, Fox 35 News.